Guys, in today's video, I will show you step by step how you can open the Pine editor on TradingView. And sometimes what you'll notice is that it is missing totally from your TradingView. So if it is, I will show you how you can open it in today's video. So the first thing we need to do is open up a chart here, and then I'm going to go up to indicators. And then what we need to do then is scroll down and click on my scripts. Once you do this, if you have not got a script here, it will give you the option to enter one, which will open up the Pine editor. But if you have got one already, what we can do is click on this little icon here to open up the script and the source code. And then what you will get is the Pine editor. So now the Pine editor has been opened here. So what we need to do is essentially we need to go down and we need to remove all of this here, and you will then be able to start again. Just like this, and then you can enter your indicator or your source code into this box right here on the Pine editor.